So here's an interesting Fusion 360 bug. Create a component and just make a little rectangle here that I extrude and put a fillet on. And then I'm going to pattern this. I pattern the body, not the component. Okay, and then I'm going to mirror that component. Pick the component. Pick the component. Pick the mirror plane. And there we have that. And then I'm going to simply pattern those two components, the original and the mirrored one, and pick a direction and mirror it in this direction and in this direction. So we've got our pattern here, and now I decide I want to change something around on this body. And I'm just going to simply add a sketch and a circle. And I extrude that as well. And I'll change it to join. It probably changes automatically to join. Even if I select new body, when I start extruding it, it changes. No, it doesn't change. But I want to join it. Okay, so we still only have one body in here. So if I now forward timeline, all the way, then that's all fine and dandy. But now I decide, hey, I want this little nub here. I want that to be a separate body. So I actually right-click and edit that feature and change it from join to new body. And it's not being mirrored and patterned properly, and Fusion seems to get confused because it also eliminates some of the patterned bodies. So that's clearly a bug here.